So test 8 is named threshold inclusive. Here we make this network and we set the threshold inclusive property to false. So let's first make the network. Let's lay down the nodes first, and then comes the edges. There we go. And after that we're gonna set inputs. Well, these three are the inputs, and we're gonna set the outputs, and we're gonna rename it for better visualization. Main, I believe this is on, this is off, this is, I think it was out, and this is bias. And we're gonna set the edge property. First let's set all the edge properties delay to 1, because the default value is 15, and let's set this specific edges weight to -1, and also this time we're going to use f floating point empty net, because we're going to use some floating point later on. So let's download this. Let's go back to home, and let's sparse spike. Let's make some spikes at node 1, which is main node. We're gonna put some spikes. At time 0 we're gonna put a spike of 1, and at time 5 we're gonna put a spike of 0.1, and we're gonna run it for 10 time steps, and let's save it. Let's go back to home, and let's visualize the output. So we're going to choose the network file and then the spike file, and let's go. We don't need the zip. So what happens here? Let's see the network side by side. So oh, I forgot to set threshold inclusive to false. Wait, let me do that. We're gonna put the threshold inclusive to I believe it's here, to false, and then save it. And this new one, we're gonna run this new one, this and then this, and let's run it. Yes. So what happened here? Let's see. What happened was we gave a spike of 1 to main at time step 0, but what happened was the threshold inclusive was false. Yes, the threshold inclusive was false. So what that means is basically for a spike to occur, the charge in a node must be greater than the threshold, not greater than or equal to. 1 is equal to 1, obviously. So the threshold inclusive, the criteria wasn't met for spike. But after 5 time step we gave a an extra spike of 0.1, and since it is non-leaking network, so the 1 charge was remained for 5 time steps, and with the extra 0.1 charge it became 1.1 charge, which is greater than 1, and finally it spiked here. And after that it didn't spike again because the weight is 1. This edge has weight 1, so whenever it spiked, the new charge became 1, and again 1 cannot spike it, so there are no spikes here, so it is not shown, and that's it.